How to choose the cheapest health insurance in the US in 2025. Are you paying hundreds of dollars a month for health insurance and still unsure what you're actually covered for? You're not alone, and now more than ever, it's time to learn how to choose the right insurance, not just the cheapest one. The health insurance landscape in the US is undergoing major changes in 2025. Federal policy shifts, reductions in Medicaid coverage, the expiration of enhanced ACA subsidies, and adjustments from private insurers are forcing millions of Americans to reassess whether their current plans still make sense. Health insurance in the US has always been complicated, not because it's unimportant, but because it's so complex. And now, with government tightening eligibility rules and subsidies set to expire, it's crucial for consumers to become smarter and more strategic in their decisions. First, you need to understand that there is no one-size-fits-all cheapest plan. Cheap health insurance doesn't mean the lowest monthly premium, it means the lowest total cost for you, based on your needs, with a risk level you can live with. A low premium plan with a sky-high deductible might end up costing you thousands more if something serious happens. So, the first step is to clearly understand your personal and family health needs. Do you have any pre-existing conditions? Do you take prescription medications regularly? Are you covering dependents, children, or elderly family members who require long-term care? How often did you visit a doctor last year? These questions are essential to determine if you need a high coverage plan or if minimal coverage is enough. If you're healthy and rarely see a doctor, you might consider a high deductible health plan, HDHP, to lower your monthly premiums. These plans also make you eligible to open a health savings account, HSA, a powerful tool to save tax-free money for medical expenses. In fact, 2026 HSA contribution limits have increased to $4,300 for individuals and $8,750 for families. An HSA is one of the few investment vehicles that gives you tax-free contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals when used for medical expenses. On the other hand, if you visit doctors frequently or have ongoing prescriptions, a comprehensive ACA plan with a lower deductible and predictable copays may actually save you more money, even if the monthly premiums are higher. What truly matters is calculating your total annual cost, not just the premium, but also the deductible, copay, coinsurance, and out-of-pocket maximum. Many people make the mistake of choosing based only on the monthly price and end up with hefty surprise bills. Let's look at an example. Plan A, $250 per month premium, $8,000 deductible, $9,100 out-of-pocket max. Plan B, $390 per month premium, $1,500 deductible, $3,500 out-of-pocket max. If you're healthy and rarely need care, Plan A may be fine. But if you need ongoing treatments or have even one major medical issue during the year, Plan B could actually save you thousands. Once you understand your needs and acceptable risk level, the next step is to use official marketplaces and comparison tools. Don't rely on ads or what your friends use. Instead, visit platforms like healthcare.gov, HealthSherpa, or A Health Insurance. These sites let you compare plans available in your zip code and filter by premium, deductible, doctor networks, and more. Another critical factor in 2025 is the Premium Tax Credit, PTC. About 85% of people who buy health insurance through the ACA Marketplace qualify for this subsidy. However, the enhanced subsidies under the American Rescue Plan will expire at the end of 2025 unless Congress extends them. That could lead to premium increases of 50 to 75% for millions of people in 2026. You should check your eligibility carefully by entering your household income, AGI, family size, and zip code on the official sites. Even a small income difference can cost you thousands in subsidies. This is one of the most overlooked yet crucial steps when choosing a plan. If you're ineligible for ACA coverage or live in a state that hasn't expanded Medicaid, there are other options to consider. Short-term health insurance, low cost, but only covers the basics and excludes pre-existing conditions. Health-sharing ministries, faith-based health cost sharing, usually cheaper but not legally required to pay claims. Catastrophic plans, available to those under 30 or with hardship exemptions, ultra-low premiums but only cover worst-case scenarios. These alternatives can be useful if you're in good health and just need emergency protection, but be cautious. Many of them don't qualify as minimum essential coverage under the ACA and leave you exposed to major financial risk. Don't forget about provider networks. Cheaper HMO plans often restrict you to a specific group of doctors and hospitals. PPO plans offer more freedom but cost more. Always verify that your preferred doctors and clinics are within your plan's network. There's nothing worse than discovering your doctor doesn't accept your insurance after you've signed up. Another trend in 2025 is the expansion of telehealth. Many plans now offer free or low-cost virtual visits, especially for mental health, routine prescriptions, and minor medical issues. This is a huge plus if you live in rural areas or want to save time and money. Make sure the plan you choose has strong telehealth support. And most importantly, don't be afraid to ask questions. Call an agent. Reach out to customer service. Ask them to explain every clause and cost. This is your money and your health, don't let confusing fine print cost you peace of mind later. In the end, the cheapest health insurance in 2025 isn't about the lowest monthly premium. It's about the right plan, tailored to your specific health needs, financial situation, and risk tolerance. Smart consumers will do their homework, use comparison tools, take advantage of tax benefits, and review their plan annually. Have you struggled with choosing the right health insurance plan? Are you unsure whether you qualify for a subsidy or stuck between two confusing options? Drop your questions in the comments, we're here to help with personalized advice. And if you found this article helpful, follow and share to support the channel. We'll continue updating you with clear, practical, and up-to-date guidance to help you make the best financial and healthcare decisions.